In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create registration forms in WPForms. We'll be working inside your WordPress dashboard and using WPForms to build a user registration form that people can fill out directly on your site. This is a great option if you want to let visitors create accounts without going through the default WordPress registration screen. To get started, go to your WordPress dashboard. From there, open WPForms and then click Add-ons. This is where you can extend WPForms with extra features, including the tools needed for user registration. Once you're in the add-ons area, search for the user registration add-on. When you find it, click Install Add-on and then activate it. This add-on is what connects your form to WordPress user account creation, so this part is essential before building the form itself. Next, go to WP Forms and click Add New to launch the form builder. At the top, enter a name for your form. Choose something clear and easy to recognize, especially if you plan to create multiple forms later. After naming the form, scroll down to the Select a Template section, search for the user registration form template, then hover over it and click Use Template. This template is helpful because it automatically includes the key fields typically required for registration, such as name, username, email, and password. That saves time and helps make sure your form starts with the right structure. When the template opens in the form builder, go to Settings and then User Registration in the left-hand panel. Here, toggle on the Enable User Registration setting. This tells WP Forms that submissions from this form should create actual WordPress user accounts. Under the User Registration Settings section, map your form fields. In other words, make sure each form field is connected to the correct WordPress user data, like username, email address, and password. This step is important because it ensures the information entered by the user gets stored in the right place. You can also configure a few additional options here. For example, you can assign a default user role such as subscriber or contributor. You may also choose to enable auto login after registration or require email activation for added control and security. These settings depend on how you want the registration process to work on your website. Once everything looks good, stay inside the form builder and click the embed button next to save. Then add the form to your website. This places the registration form on a page where visitors can access it and sign up. And that's it. You now have a registration form built with WP Forms and connected to WordPress user creation, ready for your site visitors to use.